Well, hello. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good day. How goes it? It's Wednesday. Trash day. For me. So everybody else in the neighborhood has their trash day on Sunday. Or whatever, Monday. They put the cans out on Sunday. Very interesting. I don't know. When I moved here, I looked up trash and I got some company, and apparently everybody uses a different company. But that's cool. Alright. So we're probably just going to continue working on gear. I keep saying I'm going to get it to work, and I did, I think yesterday, get it to apply. There's a couple more things I need to do to finish it out though. Hey, there I am. I also need, I was on Grumble Pugs. I raided him yesterday. And I really liked his Streamlab messaging thing. Like every time somebody messages, it shows up right above his head. Kinda like that. I think I might steal that. Let's see if we can do that real quick. Live. Do it live. Let's see. Go extensions. Streamlab. Yeah, I also want to do stream avatars. It looks like I added it. I just haven't done anything with it. Here's Streamlab. Schedule counter. Oh, countdown timer. I don't know what that's for. Event schedule. Where's like message? Well, let's just look up. Oh, here's Streamlabs right here. Wow. Yeah, so this is an all-in-one tool. Loyalty points, request songs, vote in polls, giveaways, blah 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 blah. Let's see if this will do it. Activate. Now, how do I... Later. Let's configure. Let's complete setup. Oh, looks like you need an account. Oh, I guess you can just log in with Twitch. Let's do that. Let's do it. Oh, I should have just skipped. Who the hell needs a tutorial? Go, 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 go. No thank you. Let's go free. Yes. Free, please. Okay. Yes. I don't want to do that. I just want... Let's check out their widgets. Wait, Streamlabs like OBS? Shit, I think it is. I think you can use Streamlabs like OBS. Does that mean that I can't do it in OBS? Hold on, does OBS have an extension? Let me see here. Hold on. How do I... That's a wheel. Event list? No. Where's the... Oh, chat box. Include your chats. Channels chat into your stream. Yes. I believe this is the one. No, thank you. Yes. Yeah, I like this. Copy. Copy. I don't care. I think now it's as simple as just adding a new, let's see, chat. Excuse me. Let's add a new scene. And then in chat, wait, how do I? Oh, sources, here we go. Let's add a widget. What is it again? Browser, maybe? I think it might be browser. I'm gonna try that. Chat. Wait, what? That already exists? Chat 2. Okay, and the source is this. Uh-oh. Yes, okay. So let's do that. Click OK. Is it working? I don't know. I don't know. How do you know if it's working? I guess I just add it. Let's try adding it. So we'll go to other screen. We'll add source. We'll add scene. Chat. Go. Okay. Let's lock everything else. And let's just see what chat does. I want to just make it this big. I wonder if it works with my chat. I'll try it with myself. Hey, testing chat. Oh, it totally worked. Sick. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, but it stays the whole time. His was cool because it just went away. Oh, here we go. Maybe I can change the settings. Yeah, I like the clean theme for now. Well, box. Twitch. What's Twitch look like? I don't even know what that means. Oh, it doesn't like bounce around. Clean. Yeah, right. Show viewers platform icon. Is that cool? Do people care about that? Nah. And then show moderator badge, subscriber badge, turbo. Okay, whatever. Enable emotes. No. Background color. No. Font size. Probably a little bigger. And then hide message after. Yes. Oh, it's 15 seconds. His was really quick. It was like... No, maybe it was 15. No, I think it was like 10 seconds. Chat delay. His seemed like it had a delay. Maybe I'll add a little delay just to see. About 1 second delay. Hide common chat bots. Hide commands. Starting with... Yeah, we'll hide anything like that. Okay. Let's try it. So I'll go here. I think it's just too small right now. So let's see if I do. Yo, testing. Okay. Still too small. Well. You know what? I think I screwed up. Let's go back to just the chat and edit the size. Okay, yeah. Let's go back to like full size. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we'll just let it go full size like that. Another test. Why is it all weird looking? Still looks kind of stretched. Let's try again. Testing. Let's check the settings on this chat. How do I... Properties. Oh, do they have like a size setting they prefer? Oh, you can like download some cool different types. Okay, using OBS Studio, just launch it in your window capture. We're just on it. Oh, yeah, duh. Okay. Doesn't have a like a size you should set it at. But this is 800 by 600, so let's just do that. 800 by 600. 800 is width, right? By 600. Wait, what? How do I get the size correct? Okay. No. Let's do the normal 1920 by 1080. Just so it's the correct size. Okay. Which apparently is too big. Interesting. Can't I just... Oh, whoops. What the fuck? Wait, what? What the nut? Oh, wait. I think I could just set the size to no. Oh, transform, here it is. And then we just do fit to screen. All right, let's go back to other screen. And let's see. Hello. Okay. Yeah, it's still a little wonky. Let's actually make the... I don't know, should I put a background color? Kind of feel like I should, like, do the boxed version. Let's try it again with boxed. What's up, yo? Okay. And then we do it like that. Then the message is going to get cut off if it's long, huh? Let's see, let's make it smaller. And try again. This is a much longer chat message. for testing. Yeah, see, I don't want to get cut off like that. I think that's the problem. I need to like change the filters of it. I mean the size of it to a smaller size. So let's do that again. Chat. Let's go to properties. And the width is just going to be like 600. The height's going to be like 100. Cool. So now that's the width and the height. 600 by... That should be good. Okay. Now let's go back to the other screen. And knowing that that's the size. Oops. Let's go ahead and just make this smaller. Alright. And let's test it out. Testing another longer message in chat for the pop-up. There we go. Now all I have to do is drop it a little bit over my head. And good. Now I can see people. Their message above my head. That could be cool, huh? It's only for Twitch message though, sorry. Let's see. Okay, so they have their little icons on the right now. Alright. I feel fine with this so far. I could make the font just a little bigger. Okay, I feel fine now. And let's change this back to 15, because that's actually not that bad. Okay, we got it. Now, Streamlabs probably has a bunch of other things, so I'm fine for now. Just starting with that. I need to set up more alerts and stuff too. The follow one worked, but I need to create some animations. Right now I don't really have any animations to set up. Okay, what's up, local? Why are you down? Yeah, right. So let's see, it looks like we have it equipped. And if we unequipped... Oh, that's what it was. I gotta fix the whole spiel. So let's fix everything. Because right now, this works, but the whole equip and unequip thing, that's gotta change. So, the whole string replace shit, where is it? Yeah, this one here. So this will no longer work. Or, it will work. It won't work in JavaScript, right? Yeah. Oh wait, hold on, no. I just loaded this. What? Oh, no, no, no. It's how I define whether item equals gear equipped ID. Okay. So what's happening now is this user meta is a different beast because now it's part of an array. Oh, that's another bug too. I can't let it add the same thing twice. You just can't. So, we'll start with the first problem. Is so right now just supply the content. So item ID, and then we got the equipped. We basically need to do a for each now. Gear equipped. This set false equals empty. Okay. And true equals is array. Gear equipped. And we'll do a for each here. Gear equipped as gear. And then now should be able to get the ID. Yeah, because now ID is part of this array. So if item equals int val gear ID, right, then we know that it is equipped, and we do this. Or weapon, oh, okay, I'm using it for weapon too. Well, this is just for gear. And then we do this for the content. We can get rid of this. Okay. This should work. Let's go ahead and refresh. And let's see that it starts at least. I can close this now. Oh, I never gave my intro. Well, if you don't know who I am, and you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, and come ask me some questions. I'll give another intro. And if anybody comes to the chat and are asking questions, you'll see the answers. But yeah, I wrote a book, making a video game about the book. Make music about the book. Everything's about the book. The book is Orbem. It's on Amazon. Alright. So let's go here. Let's check gear. Damn it. Welp. So far, not working. Now, let's double check the array here. It's mana. Oh, shit. Here comes the double for each. I don't technically care. No, this should be fine. It's an array of manas. And then no, it's an array of indexes. Yeah. So technically, it could be it could be mana or health. Am I getting type randomly? No. I guess I'm gonna have to get the current item's type. So I'm getting the item object, which is giving me the content. But now I need to get the type. Should I just pass it type? What is this? Get item description. Get item. Get item description. And yeah, basically just grabbing the ID. No, it's not type. Wait, it's not type. That's the problem. Right? It doesn't have mana. Why are you not working? Console. Hello? There we go. Yeah, so I have gear. Really screwing myself there. That's fine. Maybe I'll add like a subtype. Just to stop fucking around. Because I'm pretty sure I already have it. Because I'm adding the image. Yeah, the image. Oh no, this is for storage items. It's different. This is not correct. Here we go. Data type. Let's do data subtype. Which I guess I'm not storing the subtype. Storage. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Forget it. Forget it. Not worth it. Alright, so let's just go grab it. So it's getting it from the terms, value type here. And then type equals type first. Shum diddly yum dum dum, shum diddly yum dum dum. That means I need to do a whole thing. Where am I doing this? I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get the subtype. So I could do the unequipped, equipped shit. Let's see here. Here, this is what I need. Okay, so we get the item ID, item object ID. Okay. Great. That's value type. But then I need to do that thingy where I'm looking for mana. And hell, this one. This one. Yeah, okay. If in array type slug. Now I need to do for each types as type. Yeah, okay. Great. This is types. And if in array type slug mana health power is false. No, it's true. Then that's the type. The type that I'd be looking for. Why am I looking for this? Why am I looking for this? Because I need to know. Oh. This. Type. There we go. Is set and that. And let's do this. Cool. This should be good. Yeah, can't set type to type to type. It's item type. Don't need you. Need you. Item type. Item type. Okay. I think this is good. And by default, item type equals nothing. I like it. Let's refresh. This should say unequipped now. Or explode. First try. Bitch. Incorrect. You are incorrect. Alright, what am I doing wrong here? Get item description. It's not erroring, it's working, but types. What am I doing? We got the item ID and the user ID. Item ID is getting the post. Info. And then I'm using the object. Get the content. And the terms for value type. And then I got the default. Types type. Type slug. If the slug of the type is not in here while you're doing this, then set the type to the item type. And the database has the item type, has the thingy. Oh, item ID is not the thing, it's just the first. Got it. I don't even have a key for that. It's just the first shit. Alright. Yeah. Got it. Alright, first try. This is working now. Bitch. I keep almost getting there. Alright, so we have mana. Let's just fucking var dump this. Alright. Var dump gear. And see what we're dealing with. This should show up in the network response now. Boop. Error, error. Why am I getting an error? Unexpected token A. Huh? The funk you talking about? What did I do? What did I break? A. What are you talking about? Let's check. New line. JSON parse. Target response. Ah. In or like the response. I should still see the network call though. Oh. Hold on. Let's refresh and try to get the item ID again. Okay, and go boop. Oh, so it must be this. Yeah. Okay. My bad. Okay. So the var dump, it's an array. Mana, yes. And then, oh, it's ID with the value. That's right. That's right. So it is. But if I want the ID, I need to get the key. So technically, I need to get the array key. Which could be multiple? Yeah, because there could be multiple mana gear items equipped. So I can't just grab the first one. Shit. I guess I have to loop through it. Yeah. Here we go. Double for each, double for each. Gear as ID amount. Alright, one more. And now, basically, I just need to do this. If ID equals item, then boom. Nobody pay attention to my nested for each loops. That's completely okay. Yeah, okay. There we go. Still does not work. I'm the worst. Why are you not working? Why are you not working? Hold on. So... shit. So wait, it's now we're using the array for the output of that. Let's see if this works. Technically that should be correct. The ID is in the array. Oh, shit, that's why. It's type, item type. There we go. I forgot. So if true equals is array, item type, I know, gear, item type. And the first thing we need to check if it exists. If false equals empty. Alright. Then we'll do this. Right? Right. First try. This is gonna work. You just have to believe. Continue. Let's go ahead and pull this shit. Gear. Go. First try. Almost first try. Not quite. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Now we know that it's equipped, and now it's saying it's unequipped, which means now the classes will be correct, so I should be able to unequip this. Wow. Is there a console error? My click event is not working. Let's check the classes. Unequip button. Oh, unequip button. God damn it. What? What? I thought I already fixed that. Yeah, unequip. Oh, is it because it's looping and there's two of them? That would be why. Alright, let's do a quick refresh. Let's leave the game. Let's start fresh. Because that's another bug I gotta fix. We have to make sure that we can only collect the gear once. Technically, it should never come back, so... yeah. Alright, let's collect you. Oh, that's weird. As soon as I collected it, it's equipped. Why is it equipped? Oh shit, did I not put in the delete? You bitch. Hold on. Reset. I need to delete. Explore current gear and weapons, and that's it. Current weapons. Oops. Alright, cool. So now that will not hang around when I reset again. Okay. Let's double check. Yes, nothing is here. Alright, let's try this again. Let's transport a little bit. And let's collect. Good, it didn't just immediately equip. And good, I have it collected. Now let's equip it. It appears that did work. Let's try it. Yep, that worked great. So now let's try it again. Let's unequip. I believe that worked. I am incorrect. That did not work. Okay, so unequip is not working. It's not breaking. But let's check the logic for unequipped. Unequip. Batches for item description. Yes, here we go. So if we pass unequip, oh, let's double check that the shit is correct. Unequip button. Okay, perfect. Yep, so that's working fine. So what I need to do is unset. Wait, so if false equals empty, boom, boom, correct. Now this is not a thing. Right. It's not. It's not a thing anymore. Now it's an array. No, wait. It is a thing. Because it's this, and then the item ID, and then that. So it should be able to go bop, and then bop is the amount. So I should be able to unset. Is unset the right word? It might be. Yeah, see, I'm doing it here. Well, we need to make sure we're passing everything correctly. Yep. Unequip, 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 equip. So this is definitely correct. Yeah, so we just need to see. This is not empty. So what is this? That's what. Let's just var dump current equip and see what happens. Okay. Let's get in this. It's equipped. Let's try to unequip and see what the output is. Okay. And the output is array. Oh. Shit. I think I forgot about that. Yeah, like being added to like an array. Oh no. Yeah, could. Yeah. So yeah, I need to do that. So current equipped. Bup. This is how it adds. This is how it is. Unset. Yeah. I mean, technically I could do it this way. Right? And then I'll have to fuck around with the index here. Okay, let's try it like that. Another one. Boop. And we'll jump into here. And we'll jump into here. And we'll clear this. And we'll jump into here. And now we will unequip. True. Yeah, there we go. Now it's outputting properly. So technically you want to do this, it should work. Yep. It's unequipped now. But look at that. Still showing the same amount. I mean, I'm sure if I refreshed it would be fine. It is. Okay, so let's make sure. I thought I was doing that new calculation. Let's check the JavaScript. Equip button. So the unequip button is right here. Up. Remove equipped. Equip new item. Alright, so I forgot I'm doing this only server side. So even if I equipped right now, it wouldn't do anything, right? Yeah, correct. So let's fix that. Okay. So honestly, what I need to know is everything that's everything that's currently equipped, I need to know. And I think I'm doing that in the storage menu. So if I look right here, it should have an equip class. It does. So I should be able to look at anything with data type, gear, and the class equipped, get the value. Only problem it's the same damn problem I have been having, is I don't know that this specific gear works for mana. This is becoming an issue. So either I rewrite the fucking logic that adds storage items and add subtype, or I add a new global variable that has a list of all the equipped items and their value. Well, not their values, just a list of alright. Like, I don't want to, but let's rewrite the storage item shit. Alright, storage. Save storage item, type. So now that we have type, and we have ID, let's go ahead and pull out the item subtype. Subtype equals get the terms. And this is ID. Value type. Alright, so now we'll do a for each on item subtypes. Let's add a little less. Item subtypes. God damn it. Why am I adding randomly as item subtype? Cool. And then what we're going to do is if type does not equal item subtype slug, then go ahead and set this subtype to type. Oh no, item subtype slug. Oh, let's just do it like this. I don't know why I do it. Then item subtype slug. Otherwise nothing. Actually, now that I think about it, kind of need to be an if statement, because I don't want it to keep resetting to nothing. There we go. Subtype slug. Okay, otherwise, subtype equals nothing. It's so rare to see someone live for coding. Heck yeah, Joe. That's me, man. Live coding. Feel free to lurk and enjoy. This is PHP. I do a lot of vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling too. But if you're a programmer, this might just be frustrating to see somebody else typing so much. Subtype. And basically what I want to do is pass this now. Actually, only if it exists. Oh wait. Oh yeah, this is for removing. But if it's not removing, if false equals empty subtype. I'm on college with tech telecommunication. Oh, sweet. Nice. Tech telecommunication. What are you doing? What are you doing with tech telecommunication? I feel like I kind of know what that means, but I'm probably thinking of the wrong thing. Are you doing like programming for phones? Or is this like studying how people communicate with technology? I'm interested. Alright. We'll add subtype there. And then yeah, we'll just add Yeah, it's a list. Yeah, it's like programming for some signal or programming for some electronics. Oh, so how electronics communicate through programming or whatever, so a signal. That's why I'm so confused for this. Yeah, so yeah, a real quick breakdown. This is a website. I'm building an RPG using WordPress, which if you've heard of WordPress, it's just a blog content management system, a CMS. So I'm building an RPG game engine basically into WordPress so I can have my game posted on my website directly. So this is all vanilla JavaScript and, you know, normal website programming stuff. I'm just connecting events to the keyboard, the mouse, the phone touch, that kind of stuff. So it acts like a video game. And I mean, it's pretty extensive. I mean, I got bad guys, I've got movements, I've got proprietary stuff like transportation, which is holding shift and clicking around the screen. And yeah, you could do a lot. Yeah, even got people that run into you. But yeah, right now working on this menu. You know, we've got items and we can use and drop them, but I want to do gear where it can like modify mana. Wow, it's really cool. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it's coming along. This is based off of my novel Orbem, which is right here. So this is a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel series, and I'm basically trying to build a standalone RPG in the same universe to kind of just get people into the series. But this is book 1 of a series, so. And book 2 I'm actually working on right now. It releases July 1st, so that's exciting. I just have to give it back to the line editor May 14th. So I'm over halfway done with my revisions based off of the developmental editing stage. But yeah. Also, all the music in the background you hear is my music I've recorded with various bands and stuff like that. Some of it's music inspired by Orbem as well, the universe. So it's a whole thing. It's a whole world. Get in here. But yeah, if you have any questions about website programming, you know, that's what I've been doing for the past 20 years. I've been a WordPress programmer for 14 to 16. And yeah, you can do anything you want in this platform, really. And yeah, so this is something I know really well. I know the industry really well. Worked for Disney, worked for Universal, worked for Warner Brothers. You know, just building websites. How'd I learn that? Yeah, well, just one day at a time. You know, when you do it this long, you just kind of pick things up. I just know vanilla JavaScript, right? And that's all this is. It's just JavaScript. And once you know what you can do with JavaScript, it's all just thinking about, you know, what you want to do. And then you already know the functions that can make things happen. Like, I know key events, like on key up. So I know that I can register a key input on the keyboard. So now I do something with that. And this is all styling. I mean, if you look at the dude here, he moves just using top and left. Because if you think of a website as a grid, and the positioning is the top position and the left position, right? Then all you need to do is push him with pixels. And I'm using an interval. It's 20 milliseconds. It's constantly reading my key input. and I just go up. You see the top goes up, it gets smaller, and I go down, it gets bigger. So it's just pushing him left, and then you can get really advanced and get into collision points. I'm registering two different elements and their positions, and if they overlap, then I change the logic. Now, this could all be avoided if you use a real game engine, like Godot or Game Maker Studio or RPG Maker or any of the millions of game engines, but, you know, I'm a programmer. I want it to be built into WordPress because I use this for all my content management. Like, this is where you're seeing those screens. This is the WordPress admin menu, and then this is where I hold everything, like the characters, the areas, the cutscenes, the enemies, weapons, magic. So I know how to do all this stuff with the custom fields. And that's my, you know, profession, so it's easy. But yeah, my browser is just, there's so much more accommodating these days too. They really can accept a lot of advanced stuff with CSS3 and HTML5. Well, you can use a little JavaScript to make things work. And we still need to get equip and unequipped working. Yeah, because now I'm sending subtype. So now when I store an item, it should also store its subtype. Problem is I put value type, I put 2. So I need to know mana, but right now I'm just saving gear as a data point on the front end, which you can see right here. You see how I have Cloak of Magic gear. So I need a data subtype too, so I know that it's mana. Otherwise I don't know which thing to do here. Hello, is that Krishna? How you doing, Krishna? Welcome. Welcome to YouTube chat. Yeah, if you're interested, this is a WordPress website. If you're even more interested, I'm building an RPG game engine into a WordPress website. So, it could be confusing to most, but yeah, this is my little game based off of my sci-fi novel series. Thank you. Nice. And currently, we're trying to get subtype saved as a data point right here, so that I know which points menu to change when I equip an item, which, you know, in this case is this tank protects you from minor core damage. Yeah, whatever, I just made this up. You can see it's just right here. I can change the text to whatever I want. Yeah, and this is a WordPress dashboard. If you're familiar with WordPress, I am a WordPress programmer. And yeah, basically just trying to do bug fixes and get gear working, which I think now this should be saving to the storage item menu. So let's reset. And yeah, all the music here in the background is from my bands, or bands I've been in, or music I recorded for based off of the series. This is the book right here, Orbem, for anybody who's just joined. And it's available on Amazon. There's an audio book, and it's an amazing narrator. Jason McNatt, he really killed it. Yeah, we got a Discord, we have merch. It's doing pretty well on Goodreads. It's turned around. And yeah, there is currently a live version of this game that can be played on orbemortar.com or orbem.games. But this is like the V1 iteration, where basically all you did is walk around and talk to people. So I'll show you real quick. So this is what's built into the website right now. And you basically just walk around, and this is the Orbem map. And it just gives you a little like, oh, hey, look at this area, blah, blah, blah. Kind of like an accompaniment to the book. So if you read the book, this would be more interesting. But I'm trying to build a standalone game where it could, you know, be entertaining on its own and basically make you want to maybe dive deeper and read the series. And yeah, so this is available, but it's also mobile friendly. That's one of the main reasons I'm building it into the website too, is because I can use website mobile responsiveness, and look, now I have touch to move the character. And so on your phone, you could just jump on here and play the game right away. And it's the same experience, just a mobile version. All I have to do is kind of change some of the dimensions and the way things move. It's not perfect, but yeah, I built this game like 4 years ago. And I've only been building the reboot for the past couple months, really. But it's coming along, so let's reset the game to a new game. Let's see if the storage items are working better now. Or at least they have a subtype, if it exists. Which will only exist in the gear that's in the CEO's office. Alright. Let's see, what do we got? We have gear, empty data type. Okay, cool. That's not that what matters. This is what matters, is the database and storage items right here. Why you build the game on a website? Main reason is because it's my marketing website for the entire Orbem world. So I wanted it to be integrated so that I could build levels and build upon it without doing code deploys all the time. So I could just build new areas, I could build new items, and basically that's why I'm building it like a game engine as opposed to just like a hard-coded video game, so I can keep building upon it. And a lot of benefits. Like I said, the mobile responsiveness, the fact that when you sign up for the game, you can sign up for like the newsletter subscription. It's not tied to any system. And another really cool thing I thought of recently is I can carry the game user logic once you're logged in through the whole website. So, you know, we could do Easter eggs while you're on the blog, or, you know, looking at the shop or something. And you can even probably make the characters walk around the game, walk around the website, you know, to collect gear and points and stuff. So, yeah, a lot of reasons. And because WordPress programming is what I know the best, and I like to work with what I know. And let's see, did we get subtype? Value, subtype. Boom, it's there. Awesome. Now that we know that subtype's there, we can go ahead and put it on the front end. Where's value type? Value type. That's not what I wanted. Where you at? Oh, let's try that again. Data value. Oh, no, it's data type. There we go. So we have type, so let's grab subtype if it exists, which should be value type. Wait, what? Oh, no, I need the storage menu. That's what I needed. Here we go. Adoy. So what I want to do here is, if subtype exists. Okay, good to see you. I'm on my exam right now. Oh, are you? Oh, go prepare, man. Thanks for jumping on, Joe. I really appreciate it. And, you know, subscribe if you want to get notified. I do a lot of shorts and stuff. Feel free to come back anytime. Talk about telecommunications. Good luck. Alright. And let's do false. equals empty. Storage item X. Subtype. Very cool. Wait, how did I spell that? Okay, good. No dash. Alright. We got subtype. Well, if you're around Krishna, what you interested in? What are you working on? You a programmer? You just interested in programming? If you're not around, feel free to not say anything. And then let's do data subtype equals a boop doop doop. Let's do this. Okay. You. Yep. Go is the attribute. Always escape your variables for security. Oh, I lost all the viewers. Couldn't keep them long enough. Boop boop boop. Okay. So let's... I think this is it. Data subtype. I think we're good, if it exists. So let's go back here. Let's check the storage menu. And let's see what you got. Do you have data subtype? We do. Mana. Boom. Great. So now that I have that, I don't have to actually... I can pass that to functions now, including item description. Which... Wait, I don't... Yeah, what was the whole point of this? Because I don't think I need to pass it. Oh, selected item, storage engage. I guess I need it for... See, I already forgot what I was doing. I need it for... What did I need you for? Why did I do this whole thing? Because... Oh, I need to know when I'm selecting. So what is it? Equip. Equip button. Here we go. And unequip button. Okay, so during this point, now we have the item. I need the selected item subtype. Document query selector. This is cool though. Now I can add subtype for other things if I wanted to. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I should do this. Selected item like get attribute data subtype. Great. And we need to do that here as well. I know this is very duplicative. It's not very dry, but that's fine. And so this goes down. Equip new item happens, which is just actually doing this database saving part. Okay. So now I need to fake the other one. So let's run the point animation. Right? Now, we just need to make it bigger. So we'll go to, yeah, see, I need a util. I need a util. So I need to know all, not the selected items. I need to know all the items. So let's do data, document, query selector all. Right? And then it needs to be anything with, this is going to be storage items. So, oh shit. It needs to be anything in this, a storage item. Storage item with the data type gear, right? So this is all gear. Yeah, see, I don't need to do this here. All I need to do is reset point calculations. So that is going to be update point bars. And that'll just be a general function that runs. And I'll always just grab this. And then we'll do the same thing here. Update point bars. Reset point calculations, because it'll have to be removed and added. Cool. Update point bars. I guess I call them gauges, but that's fine. Update point bars. Yeah, okay. Function. Update point bars. Coolio. We'll get all the gear. We'll get all the weapons. Alright. Which is storage item. Data type. Weapons. Cool, cool, cool. Basically what we gotta do is go through all of them. And we'll determine whether they're mana or health. And then add up the amounts for each. And then update the point bars. So wait, where are the point bars? Oh, here we go. I have it right here. Perfect. So that's get current points. I need that. Current health equals get current points. Health. Current mana equals get current points. Mana. Great. Look at that. Helping myself. And then, cool. So now we have the current numbers that we're going to add to at the end. But I am going to need to call these out too. So it's almost like I don't even need that. That's fine. The points. We'll just call it health bar and mana bar. Health bar, which is health. Yeah. Mana bar. We'll call you mana. Yeah, okay. So now we have the bars to update. And we'll update their amount. And their width. The width also needs to be updated. Defaults to 300. Okay, I think we have all the things we need. All right. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now that we have the storage and data type gear, we know I can get the subtype for that. So let's go ahead and add a for loop before each. So if all gear, so we're going to calculate the gear modifiers. Cool. We'll do all gear dot for each. Oops. And this is gear. So for this, we need to get the gear amount, which equals gear.get attribute data amount, and then we also need the gear subtype. Subtype gear get attribute data subtype. Cool. Now that we have the subtype and the amount, I need to basically create an array. So let's do a let. This is going to be the mana amount, which starts at 300. Amount starts at 300. Yes. Because we're basically just updating the width. Yeah, so let health amount also starts at 300. Okay. Oops. Now we basically just add to it. So health amount plus, plus gear amount. Do a parse int here just to make sure it's an integer. Okay, this is working. Right? Yes. And then we'll do mana amount the same way. Oops. Mana amount plus or minus. Oh no, I'm stupid. Can't just straight out start adding because the amount is only for if it's subtype. So if gear subtype equals health equals gear subtype, then what we're gonna do is add it to the health. And if it's mana, then we'll add mana. Right? Right. Let's do like something like this. Nah, I guess this will work. This will work. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. Subtype, yep. Oh, I spelled subtype wrong. I spelled it wrong again. Alright, cool. So, this is for gear. And these should be good to go now. Yes, good. Everything's catching up. I know my blind coding is so quick. My IDE can't handle it. Ooh, I should be in PHP 8.2. Never mind, I won't. I can't deal with the rejection right now, the deprecations of 8.2. Okay. Now that I have the number, now we go into the health bar. Dot set attribute data amount. No, do I see? That's the problem. Do I change data amount, or do I just up? Yeah, see, I don't change the amount because the amount is a percentage. I only change the width. So let's just do that. Width, yeah. So this is a style change actually, not an attribute change. Equals the final health amount dot pixels. Same with the mana amount. Width equals mana amount. Oops. I'm switching to PHP joiners. Okay, there we go. Perfecto. So yeah. Update the points bars to new width. Cool. And this should work both ways. Yeah, see, I don't need the current points now that I think about it. All I'm doing is updating the width, which we know starts at 300. Okay. Mana bar, health bar. Okay, cool. Oh, whoops. Mana bar. That's what I was supposed to do, not mana amount. Okay, cool. I think this is pretty solid. If my whole plus equals thing works to add onto the 300, which I'm not 100% on. I am very interested to see what happens now, though. First try, baby. This is gonna work. Alright, we'll go into here, and let's check for console errors when I equip this. Here we go. What we should see is the little purple bar get bigger when I equip this. Okay, it worked. Worked a little too well. That was very interesting. So it went up to 600. That is not what I wanted. I mean, this is only 20. But it went up, it doubled to 300. So I'm guessing my whole plus equals thing is not the route. Because it's almost like it's adding 300 and not this amount. Wait, what? Oh, I'm an idiot. Gear amount. Yeah. Why are you being dumb, dude? So it worked. I just put 300 every time. Dude, this is first try. That's fantastic. That's exciting. Alright, check it out. Well, now it's equipped, so server side it works. It always worked server side. But let's unequip, and now it should go back to normal just when I click this. I said should. I didn't say it would. Why did you not work? It should go both ways. Yeah, it should be... let's double check. Okay, so why did you not work? 300. So if I... Oh, update point bar. Yeah, it should always start with 300. Storage item. Cute. Oh, I'm just adding it, whatever. I forgot to add equipped. Duh. Yes. See, it needs to be equipped. Can't just be all the storage items. Okay. That was my bad. Alright, first try. It's gonna work. So now what I'm gonna do, we'll start fresh. It's gone. It's the right width. So now what should happen? Let's refresh again. I feel like it didn't compile the JavaScript quick enough. Okay. We go here. And we're going to equip it. And this should add a little purple. Bitch. Why are you still not working? Did I get a console error? No. Well, let's double check. It says equipped where I said it was going to... Storage item equipped. Yes, it did. Though, is it saying equipped before update point bars happens? Let's double check that. So when I equip, oh, see, dummy. Okay. Equipped. And then here, I should remove it. Yeah. Gotta think with your brain. Okay. Very cool. Things are happening. Alright. Ooh, I'm almost at the end of the stream. Uh-oh. Well, let's make sure we get this working before I stop. Okay, we got this. Let's unequip. That should go back to normal width. Look at that. Are you not excited that that little purple thing went back to normal width? Now, would you be excited if it grew a little bit when I equipped it? Bitch. Well, obviously it's not very happy. What the hell? Why did that not work? So this does not have equipped. It does have equipped. Oh, is it like opposites day? Let me see here. No. So let's see what's happening. So we're adding the class equipped. I mean, I guess I could just say whether it's equipping or not. No, because I wanted to do like a general thing. It had to be everything that's equipped. I wonder if it needs a little more time to read the equipped class. I wonder. It's possible that this is not seeing the equipped. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt, because that feels like it should have worked. I'm gonna refresh and just say I caught it at a bad time. Okay, let's try this again. We're going to equip. Ready, go. Now, It's still not seeing it. Let's double check what we are seeing. Data type gear, equipped. Yeah, so this should work. Console one, all gear. I can't believe this face. Okay, come on. We got this. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's getting late. I need to sleep. I mean, it's nice that unequipped works. I just wish that equipped also worked. Let's double check. Equip. Okay. Well, it is seeing it. Shit. Storage item. Engage. Equipped. And it has... Yeah. Storage item. Engage. Equipped. Yep. Gear. Subtype mana. Alright, so what's the big fucking deal, bitch? Hold on. Why are you not working? All gear for each. Yes. Goes into here. Gets the attribute. Data amount. Data subtype. If it's... Is the amount just not getting... growing like it should? Why are you coming out as 300? Mana amount. Guess I could try this way. Mana amount. No, that won't work. Because then it'll keep adding 300. No, I have it right. Hi. Kieran, how you doing? Thanks for jumping on. I am trying to troubleshoot why, when I equip my new Cloak of Magic, it's not adding the new amount to the mana bar. If you're good, I'm doing alright. Yeah, I'm at the tail end of my stream tonight, but really want to fix this before I go. This is my WordPress-based RPG video game that I've been building based off of my novel series Orbem, which you can see here if you want context. This is Orbem. It's available on Amazon. It's yeah, it's a book series. And yeah, I'm building a video game to, you know, drum up some business. A standalone video game. Just another outlet. Yeah, it's a 4-book series. Book 2 comes out July 1st. There's an audiobook too if you don't like reading. And yeah, it's just orbemortar.com for more info. Okay, so this, see, look, when you see that little purple bar, that's the mana. That's for magic. So when I unequip, boom, it goes back to normal. Great, right? But for some reason, I'm not seeing the mana amount work. I think these plus equals, they're supposed to be working. Kieran, you into programming? What are you into? Maybe piercings and tattoos? Or what brought you? Okay. Now let's see. What am I getting when I equip? Oh, well, there's your problem right there. You're a software dev? Fantastic. What do you usually work in? You familiar with WordPress? Because this is probably very confusing if you are. Or if you're not, I guess. So we know the amount is not working well. Spring Boot Java. Wow. All right. You're in it. Well, I'm a website programmer. That's what my day job is. I've been doing it for about 20 years. Worked primarily in WordPress for the past 15 as a WordPress programmer. Worked for Disney, worked for Warner Brothers, Universal. Still have a live site on Disney, actually. If you look at DisneySyncLink.com, I built this for them. And I don't know why it's still around. It must be useful in some way for their employees, but yeah. That's great. Yeah, thanks. And yeah, I built a Harry Potter website for Warner Brothers back in the day. Not around anymore, but yeah, I just been working on massive, beach bodies, investors.com, and yeah, so this is what I know best. That's why I'm building a video game on WordPress. Basically a game engine on WordPress, so I can build a video game on WordPress. But clearly, wait, is this saying nan even when you yeah, see, it defaults to 300. Yeah, my social media accounts, everything's Orbem order. Let's go ahead and throw it here. So if you want to subscribe to the YouTube, that'd be great. Also, anything else is Orbem order. And yeah, YouTube is at Orbem order. Facebook is the Orbem order. But everything else is Orbem order. Twitter, Threads, TikTok. I make shorts, just clips from the videos. Awesome, you subscribed? Love it, thank you so much. Getting really close to 50 subscribers, then I'll be able to do shorts live. Like when you go on YouTube Shorts and there's like a live person, you have to have at least 50 subscribers to get on that. TikTok's banned in India. Yeah, I hope it gets banned here in the US. It's really not good. I've had zero success with TikTok, and I don't like the content, so I'm just kind of on there because you gotta be on there, I guess. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, so definitely this plus equals shit's not working. I wonder why. Hi, how's it going? You don't have a name, but I like your little face emoji. Thanks for jumping on. Talking with Kieran here, who is a software dev working in Java. Specifically Spring Boot Java, which is awesome. I work mostly in vanilla JavaScript and PHP. So that's what WordPress is, mostly doing, and then some Sass styling, obviously. Pretty standard stuff. But yeah, the video game is basically just using vanilla JavaScript and key inputs, and it's got bad guys that can kill you. I could kill them with my punching powers, and also have the ability to teleport just with shift click. You see my little power bar goes down, and it recharges after you run out. A nice slow recharge. But yeah, there's a lot of little things. Obviously all these assets are temporary, but I got collision points working on walls. I got magic. These are my magic spells here, which I set up some buttons to actually add the magic. You see now I have spells which are also just random. So now I have the ability to shoot fireballs, which is you see my mana's going down. And I have the ability to do a shield spell, which if you do that, this guy can't push you. So I can go shield and push his ass around. Get out of here. Otherwise he can push me around. Alright, back to teleport. Yeah, so I got a lot of the basic mechanics set up. It's still pretty buggy. You know, it'll take a little while. We got cutscenes. What is this console log? Why do I have a... Oh, no, that's mana amount. Where am I console logging? Oh, I forgot to take that off. Yeah, right. Okay, so we're getting Nan, and not quite sure why. Plus equals usually works. Add to add. Numbers during for each JavaScript. Yeah, see? Plus equals. I'm doing it right. Well, I guess let's double check what we're getting. So, for gear amount, let's see. Obviously, this is not working well. Though, yeah. Data amount. Let's double check data amount's the right data point, actually. I didn't think about that. Is it data value? I thought it was data amount. Oh shit, that's why. There is no data amount, it's data value. Yeah, idiot. See, this is my problem. I can't remember any of my own classes, and I can't remember any of my own data point names. Okay, now this should work. First try. Let's start fresh. Let's get out of here. Okay. Let's collect you. And let's see what you do when I equipped you now. Come on, baby, go. Damn it. Why are you still not working? 300. Oh, okay. Well, it's getting 300. So gear amount still not coming out. Let's double check what's going on here. Okay. Let's go. Let's equip you again, or unequip you, so I can equip you. Okay. Now let's refresh because it doesn't look like the JavaScript compiled. Oh, looks like we got a new follower.
Just followed.
Hey, thanks for following. I apologize, but there is a 10-minute delay on chatting apparently when you after you follow. I don't know how to fix that setting in Twitch. I gotta do that though. So let's check gear, but I will wait around for 10 minutes if you want to say hi. So don't worry about that. Okay, equip. Oh shit, there we go. 20. Oh, 320, it worked. See, this is what I hate. It's just not compiled. Alright, I think we did it. Look at that. Goes back to 300. There we go. We did it, everybody. We fixed the client side equip and unequip modifier logic. That was really complex just for a fucking client side modifier logic. It'll come in handy though when you have a bunch of modifiers and it's like calculating all of them. But yeah, right now, that's cool. So if you want to add the Cloak of Magic, then you get a little extra boost of mana. Well, I think it's an extra boost. No, it just kind of looks like it, because right now data amount will need to change as well based off of your calculations. And that's a lot of math. So let's actually, before I jump off for the night, let's double check how we're going to do that. So I use data amount as a percentage to determine the width of the color, right? So like if you change this to 50, it'll be, wait, oh well, it also changes the gauge when you do that. So I use the data amount to determine what the width of the gauge should be. So now I'm trying to think, maybe I don't do that. Maybe I disassociate the data amount with the width. I should make the data amount grow with the amount of the width of the thingy. So like it should be 120 now. Data amount 120. Right? And then we'll keep the gauge is still 100%. But that just means when you go down, it needs to go, the percentage needs to be down 20% less. See, that's super complex. How do we want to handle this? Good question. I think data amount. How do you data amount? The only thing I can think of is change the width percentage to a pixel count instead. That way the gauge can dynamically go up and down based off of a set amount. You know what I mean? So like, instead of percentage, we would do 100 pixels, right? And the width would actually also be 100, so these will all be relative. You know? And I mean, I could double it. We can make everything times 2, so everything's 200 pixels. And 200 pixels. And then, you know, then the math is really easy, because if the data amount goes to 50, or, you know, if you go down by 5 pixels, then you just make sure it goes down 10 pixels. I don't know. That's kind of stupid too. I mean, is 100 pixels not wide enough for a points bar, you think? Is that kind of puny? I mean, you're starting at 100. Let's give this a shot. Let's change everything to 100. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. That's 100. Let's go to this. We'll change this to 100 by default. And instead of width being percentage, wait, points widths, point, mana, whatever. Yeah, so it's 300 pixels. Yeah, okay. And then data amount's 100. Okay. Let's double check this is all good. Yes. I think we're good. Points. Okay. So now that's all good. Now we need to just change the width percentage from 100%. Wait, where's gauge? Oh, here it is. So I must be doing that in JavaScript. Let's go to gauge real quick. There's no gauge. Yes, I just spelled it wrong. I never spelled gauge right the first time. Or the second time, apparently. Okay, so we got gauge. So instead of percentage, there's going to be pixels. And... wait. Oh, this is for the power. Shoot. Whatever. Power's going to be the same. Okay. So let's go to gauge. Let's change this to pixels. Okay. Change this to pixels. And this is pixels. Oops. Okay. 100. Okay. I think we got them all. So now technically everything should be 100 pixels. Let's actually do the styling the same way. Points. Where's gauge? Height is 100. Am I defining the width here? I thought I was. I guess I'm not. Okay, that's fine. Good for me. Okay. So all the points bars should be 100 pixels wide now. Yeah, okay. Well, the gauges are. Oh, it's still at 300 pixels. I need to change that. Wait, did I not change that here? No. Oh, is that a styling thing? Settings. No. Is that a template thing? No. Oh wait, this still has 300. You go down to 100. Okay. Oh, it's probably... No. Yeah, why is that still a 300? Let's refresh. Okay, power went down. But these two did not. They're still getting 300 pixels. Let's see, where is that coming from? 300? Is no longer in here. Let's do power. Oh no, let's do points. Let's see. Gauge width amount. Data amount. No, that's gauge width. I need point bar width. So let's do point bar. This is the only place point bar exists. Okay. Son of a bitch. So if it's not happening hard-coded, width. This is obviously coming. Oh, point widths are up here. Oh, get current point widths. Here we go. Aha! I forgot about this util. Okay. And no, I don't have to set that for power. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Now we got a bunch of little bars. Love it. Okay. So now when I grow the points, they should go down logically. So everything's 100 except for the points. So if I equip my gear, it should go up to 120. Great. And amount. So Quit button. Here we go. I was going to say, how the F did I stumble upon this channel? Hey, how's it going, Compost? How did you stumble upon this channel? I'm making a WordPress RPG game based off of a sci-fi fantasy novel I wrote. And it is as random as can be. But I appreciate you sticking it out and waiting the time to chat. Hey, I'm glad you mistyped too. Mistype in the search bar. Glad you did. Heck yeah. What is up? How is your night, day, morning going? I completely rewrote my points logic so it's more logical. Equip button. Equip. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Here we go. Equip. Get in the JavaScript. Alright. Equip button. So you into programming, game dev, you like piercings and tattoos? Night is good? Okay. Yeah. Oh, great. Fantastic. Well, then you're in the right place. I've been a website programmer for about 20 years. Specifically a WordPress programmer for like 15. And yeah, worked for Disney, worked for Warner Brothers, Universal. Just working on massive enterprise level sites. So that's why I'm building my video game engine inside of WordPress, because that's what I know best. It's good to work with what you know. Comp sci major in college. Hell yeah. I can appreciate people that did that. Can't relate too much, but I appreciate it. It's very, very good to have that basic knowledge of computer science. What are you doing now these days? Still into programming, or you just like it and you're doing something else? I got the quick item. Yes. Update point bars. Here we go. So I also have to update the amount. Health bar dot set attribute data amount equals health amount. Yeah, right. So, oh, you went down cybersecurity route. So you haven't programmed in a while, but what I'm doing looks awesome? Heck yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. I also appreciate cybersecurity, so thank you for your service. I work hand in hand with cybersecurity people. You know, during like a HackerOne session, they need me to escape a variable or sanitize some incoming data or something. Otherwise, I just leave it alone. You do HackerOne stuff? You like in your spare time? You do offensive security stuff, or you just focus on protecting? Alright. Now the amount should move. Oh wait, hold on. Data amount, yes. Oh, I also have to change the gauge width. That would be the problem. Gauge. I always spell gauge wrong. Yes. Thank you. And then we'll do style.width equals health amount. And yeah, all the music you're hearing in the background is me. I did all the vocals, screaming, and keyboards. It's various bands. It's not all the same band. I've been in bands for years, and so I've accumulated a lot of stuff. And it's DMCA free, you know? Like, it's my stuff. Some of it's available online. You do mostly protection and integrity monitoring. Sweet. That was very important. I still spelled gauge wrong. Okay. Also, yes, the music is awesome. He's gonna ask. Awesome. Appreciate that. Yeah. If you're interested in any particular song, feel free to ask. Some of it's available online. Some of the bands are kind of old, you know, so I just have the recordings. But, you know, I also wrote music inspired by the book series as well, and I work with my buddy Ryan Wood on a band called Crooktooth, which is kind of some of the more newer stuff. It's all metal, hardcore, except for this awesome cover of My Heart Will Go On. Here, I'll play it for you in case you have to run. We'll enjoy this for a second. If you like Titanic, then you're gonna love this version of My Heart Will Go On. It's a trip. Yeah, I work with a dude. He's a killer instrumental maker. Awesome guitarist. Yeah, this one's available on YouTube. Under my channel, Cover Them All. It's just spelled like that. That's a free one. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that it looks like it's Cover Them All, but I don't think too far ahead with my YouTube channels, apparently. Awesome. Yeah, that one was fun. Yeah, I have a Fiverr gig where I just, you know, I'm like, hey, I'll scream or sing on your song, and I get these random metal cover requests sometimes, and that was one of them. Always fun. Yeah, it's just for fun too. I don't charge a lot. I just have like a good setup, just ready to go anyways. Fun to be creative. For some reason, okay, well it worked server side, but it's not reading the, yeah, so it's got the amount correct, it's got, but it doesn't have the gauge correct, and doesn't have the data amount correct. I do have to run to bed. Yeah, me too, man. I stream every night, except for Sundays, 11 to 1 Eastern time. I'm in Michigan. Yeah, I moved here a couple years ago. I was in California the rest of the time. But, yeah, so anytime I'm on, you know, if you follow, which you did, you'll get alerted when I jump on. Feel free to say hi. Also on YouTube, if you prefer watching live streams on YouTube. But yeah, have a good night, man. Thanks for jumping on. Appreciate it. Good night, sir. Okay, I need to fix this message thing, though. It's definitely cutting off messages. I guess it's okay. That's fine. I already locked it. Alright, well, I did fix the thing I wanted to fix, but I also ended up breaking everything. So, with my new points bars, I'll fix it tomorrow. So I will bid you all a good night. We'll start with YouTube. Good night, YouTube.